Hello, intermediate algebra students. I just wanted to take a minute before you started your final project today to check in and say hello and wish you a very happy summer. I have missed you so much over these last couple of months of distance learning, but it's been fun for me to be able to check in with some of you during office hours. It's been great to see the work you've been submitting and creating, and I'm hoping that you've been really taking it seriously and working hard. I'm very proud of you for finding a way to get through this really hard time. Both in school but in life. So I've missed you. I hope that in the fall we will be back and you can stop by and visit me. I do not teach geometry, so I will not have any of you unfortunately next year, but maybe in a couple of years when you're in the Algebra 2 course. I'm hoping that your families are safe and healthy and that you're finding ways through this time to spend time together, hopefully get outside, do some fun things. I know my family, we've done a lot of fishing. We've gone to the park sometimes to play some tennis. We actually got some baby chicks, so we'll be having chickens in the future. And we built a garden. So I guess we've been doing some of the activities they've been saying a lot of families are doing, but finding ways to keep my kids active and busy and just enjoying life right now. So I hope that you guys are doing the same. I hope that you have a wonderful summer and take some much needed time off and that you just really enjoy that time with your families. Today you want to make sure you go in and complete that Google activity that we created. Hopefully it'll be a fun and interesting way for you to end your intermediate algebra year. It's a very applicable thing that you'll use hopefully in your futures whenever you're dealing with statistics, more so than with just your calculator. But you want to make sure you complete that, all 10 steps, and submit it, and then you're done. It shouldn't take you longer than probably 45 minutes, but get started on that right away, get it completed and submitted. It's worth 10 summative points, so hopefully everybody gets all 10. Okay? Once again, thank you so much, and I'm so proud of you. I know this has been far from ideal and so challenging for so many, but you guys have done great. So I'm proud of you. Happy summer, and we'll see you next year.